Afternoon, back on my knees again in the garage. Did a lot of work painting the garage floor, cleared out all that rubbish. Nice bit of space at the back of me, so I've got some more racking to put up, and different from all the plastic racking that I've got to my left here, which is literally out of the box and up in 5 minutes. I've gone for some metal racking and MDF shelving. It's a G-Rack kit, G-Rack 22, 180 tall. Shelves are quite large, 90 by 40 centimetres, so a good bit of space to display stuff or storage. Yeah, kit 22 if you want to look it up, get the price. All my stuff laid out. It says you just need a rubber mallet and a pair of Vans, but I can see a pair of pliers coming in. It's these little tabs that hook in and perhaps bend over to connect it all together. Decent colour. It's not going to be 5 minutes, but shouldn't be too bad. 22 pages in the book here, only 3 in English. 12 stages to put it up. Things like add long front and back C to upright A at the same height as B. And the first step, select half upright A attached to G onto the bases and uprights F into the tops. Happy days. Happy days, like IKEA, isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, let's give it a go. Nice bit of space here. Something to do. Get out of the sun. Alright, come on. Oh, just have a minute to get a breath. This is going up easy, absolutely for nothing. And you can see how it's going in. There's no bending of these tabs, they just slot into the frame. You just make sure you're doing them all at the same height. Get your 5 shelves in all the way around for the frame and the cross beams. And then you're going to get a middle shelf support going across this way. So yeah, really good, really quick and easy. It's just really hot in this garage at the moment, so yeah, looking good. Let's finish it off. Oh, I'm not going to lie, I'm struggling with these. It's just because of the heat in this garage. These cross beams that go from the front to the back, they have a little metal tab that you do have to bend with a pair of pliers, and they slot in, hole at the back and then a hole at the front, and you have to bend them back on yourselves to lock them in place. So they're a bit tight. They are a bit tight, so I'm huffing and puffing a bit, but you know, they're going up well. Last one, step ladders are required, so let's finish it off. Yeah, they're done. Couple of tips for you. One, when it's 26 degrees outside, don't come in a tight garage like this and put these up, unless you want to lose a few pounds, because I am sweating. It's just these little suckers, these tabs that you have to put in here, and they bend back on themselves. You know, I understand it for proper support mid shelf, yeah, and that's the only tricky bit. Everything else really is slot together, but you do need a pair of pliers, and that to get a slot screwdriver thin enough just to jimmy it out from behind the tab, just to curl them over. Yeah, other health and safety. Listen, anything like this, okay, I'm going to use these supports on the old garage door just to put some cable ties in to tie it back to the wall, and on the other side as well. Okay, there's always a risk of these being pulled over. And also, these are 1.8 high. Okay, watch what you put on the top. Health and safety again, manual handling. Okay, don't put anything really heavy on the top that you can't easily retrieve, because you could pull it over, but you shouldn't do, because you've got it attached to the wall and it's difficult. You know, heavy stuff down the bottom, and that always helps with stability anyway. Yeah, so light stuff if you're going to put anything up the top there, and make sure you can reach it properly. Try and eliminate the use of step stools if you can, but there you go. I've left it wide at the bottom. I'm going to put a couple of old gas cylinders under there, and I'll get a few Lego kits on it. Just a little postscript to that video. Got both sides of the racking now cable tied to the wall, so that's not going anywhere. Nice and solid. Measured the bottom up just enough. Got me two surplus gas canisters underneath. Rock and roll. And this, the only spare part was this bit, is the connectors if you have two sets of racking side by side. So I'm not sure if I'll fit another one in, but you never know, I might swap all the other ones out for these new ones. So I'll keep them in my one day drawer. And there you go. I've got a shelf full of the old Lego kits. Rock and roll. Do a few of these online, a few videos, Technics and the Speed Champions 2020. I'm going through all of those, so look out for them. But old Charlie's happy with his project today, and it's finally cooling down a bit, so take it easy. Alright, see you soon, take care, be safe.